Hello everybody, my name is Liang Binghui. But for today's, let's look about our weekly purpose for this week. So for this week, there's been a lot of major changes, and I really want to show them out into my work here for today. So first is about our last week works. So for last week, first is our homework. We have four things that we need to deal with. First is our daily edition 1, which is just like usual. Next is daily edition 2, which is about a free topic edition related to the main work. And I decided to choose a brief example that I carry out so that I could make examples of ways to imply the data visualizations and also different kinds of averages into my work. So that is my daily edition 2. On my daily edition 3, it is basically about answering questions and showing out how to use a protractor. So I dealt out with first is onto why should we focus on angles, ratios, and then percentage. Why are those steps crucial? Next is on to different kinds of tools for data handling. And lastly is on to how to use a protractor. And also in our main work, it is about a writing of pie charts and bar graph. Due to some mistakes, I mistook the topic as just about pie chart and I forgot and left out the pie chart part. So I'm really sorry for my mistakes, and I really did acknowledge that I did have a lot of big misunderstood here. Also, for the preparations before the meeting, what we need to do is that first, print off our main work from since 8th September. Next is print all of Ms. Pratt's comments to us on since 8th September. And lastly is also print and also is to report the work from 8th September to until now. So that's for our preparations. And also we also need to, before everything, we need to read of pages 9 and 20 and 22nd in the book in 5th edition of the practice of statistics, so we could get a deeper look into the topics and be able to do with our works. So first on the meeting, first Ms. Pratt talk about the mission that Ms. Pratt gave to us. So it's basically about all those printings of the main works, comments, and also the works reported. Next is on to feedback. She really did feedback that we lost track on our work here and decided to ask Tony and also her own self to give out the opinion on whether or not should there be any changes. And on concluding announcements, we got the understanding that except me, all the other members including Ari, Hanan, and Sarah will need to prepare for the interview for a group about finance and economics that is led by Joy. And then on me, I'll stay with Ms. Pratt so that I could continue working with her. So this is all for my daily edition 1. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.